students, welcome to the Sangli Shikshan Sanstha YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 6th standard English unit number 1.1 Song of Happiness. When you are happy, students, when do you become happy? In the life, there are many moments, many incidents, they are happening everywhere. But in the student life, as a small child, when you will get happy, when you will get a prize, when you are celebrating the festivals, when you are meeting with your friends, at that time you get happy. Here, the 6th standard student is going to the school on his first day. So it was like a festival for him. He is very happy. Watch carefully to the textbook. At the picture, the student is approaching to the school and he is very happy because after long duration he is going to the school. He is imagining that he will meet his new friends. He will go to the school. There are new teachers. There is new class teacher. He has a school bag. He has a new school uniform. He feels that everything is new in the school. He is very happy and he is going to school while he was clapping. Do you know why he is clapping? Because in the life there are many feelings. The sorrowness, sadness, happiness, like that. And every moment the man has do such reactions. For here in the happiness, the whistling, giggling, smiling, jumping, kicking, these actions shows the happiness of the human being. And in the sorrowness, what happens? He remains silent. He doesn't speak, he doesn't utter a single word in that situation. But this boy is looking very happy. He is clapping. So clapping, we can say it indicates the happiness of the student. Now, we shall read the poem carefully. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, when you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. Here you will see the many lines are repeated here. Repetition is the figure of speech in the English. This repetition creates the melody. This repetition creates the awareness of happiness. It creates the emphasis on the reader's mind. Repetition is very important here because the feeling of the happiness is emphasized here. When you are happy and you really want to show it, this is very important because here he wants to share his happiness with his friends. The new school, the new bag, the new surrounding, the new classroom, all the things he is enjoying here. And he wants to share his happiness with his friends. And it is very good. When we share our happiness with our friends, our relatives, our colleagues, it increases. So we will get the more happiness and he is clapping for that. He is calling, he is signifying, he is showing that he is happy with the first day of the school. Here clapping is a sign of happiness. We can use another phrases, we can show the another actions, another feelings. Just some examples are given at the end of the poem. Sing the first song again using the other actions like sing a song, dance around, nod your head, etc. in the place of clap your hands. Just we can see the example. When you are happy and you know it, dance around. Just like you can interchange some expressions and the feelings in the poem. When you are happy and you know it, dance around. When you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, when you are happy and you know it, dance around. Just like we can interchange the phrases in the poem. Like nod your head. When you are happy and you know it, nod your head. Just like nodding the head. When you are happy and you know it, nod your head. When you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, nod your head. When you are happy and you know it, nod your head. In the unit first, we can go to the another poem, the Song of Happiness. Sing your way home. Now again, look at the picture carefully. Here the girl, she is going back to her home. When she is going back to her home, you can see the small signs of humming. There's a small there is small signals, the small signs of music here in the picture. It shows she is going singing, she is humming. But actually what happens in real life when we are going to back to home, our home at the end of the school? What happens? We get tired, we are bored, and we are going to our home in a tired mood. But here the girl is not tired, she is happy here. Why she is happy? Because it was the first day of the school. Just we have seen that the first day of the school is very enthusiastic. It likes a festival. New friends, new class teacher, new school bag, all the things are new. After long vacation, after long period, she has met with her friends, so is very happy. We go to the actual poem. Sing your way home. Sing your way home at the close of the day. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Smile every mile, for wherever you roam, it will brighten your road, it will lighten your load, if you sing your way home. Sing your way home at the close of the day. At the close of the day means at the end of the day. The sun is setting. At the close of the day means the sun is setting. It's the time of evening. Sing your way home, drive the shadows away. Drive the shadows away means, here the meaning is given, drive the shadows away, remove all sad thoughts from your mind. We have seen that in the first day, on the first day of the school, we have met our friends and it's a moment of happiness. But in the routine life, what happens? When we are in the classroom, we are doing lot of things. We are chit-chatting with our friends, answering the teachers, showing the homeworks, all the things we are doing there. Sometimes what happens? Sometimes we fight with our friend. Sometimes the teacher scolds us. We got the punishment. We got the scolding. And because of that incidents, we became very unhappy. And with all these sad thoughts in our mind, we are going to the home. With all these worries, tensions, and all these bad moments, sad moments taking in the mind, it will become burdensome to us. But actually, school, it's a place of happiness. The punishments, scoldings, they are also helpful to us because the teacher wants to implement in us. Here, poet advises us, go to your home with singing. Also, we have seen that in the happiness, we jump, we kick, we giggle, we laugh, and also singing is the sign of happiness. In the sadness, we can't sing. So this singing will give you more happiness when you are going back to your home from the school. So the poem advises us, go back to your home with singing, with humming. Drive the shadows away means remove all bad thoughts, the sadness from your mind. Just we have listened that the scoldings, the punishment, the fighting, these are the bad memories. Taking all these bad memories to our home, it will become more troublesome to us. So if you sing when you are going back to your home, it will remove all your sadness. It will remove all your sadness from the mind. It will give more happiness. So singing is the most beautiful action in our life. Smile every mile, for wherever you roam, it will brighten your road, it will lighten your load. Smile every mile. Every mile. Mile means it's a parameter of distance. Here distance is compared to the life. In the life, we have to face many incidents. Some incidents are good, some incidents may be bad. But we have to face this. We have to face the challenges and we have to overcome on it. Smile every mile. When you are going to face the challenges, when you are going to face the bad incidents, bad moments in your life, there you should smile. You should welcome that incidents with a smile because it will decrease your tension. You will get the confidence. With the smile, if you are facing the challenge, you will overcome on it very easily. You will see that the challenge is very small in front of us. Smile every mile for wherever you roam. Roam means walk. Walking here means living a life. When you are living a life, always live with a smile. In the life, wherever you go, means in the life, you have some dreams and you will go wherever you want. There always you will face the difficulties, but always remember that you should smile there. Why we should smile there? Because it will brighten your road. Brighten means brightening. Brightening means shining. And what is called as shining? Shining means it's a success. It will brighten your road. In the life, wherever you go, there you will get a success. Why? Because you are always welcome the difficulties, all the sorrows with a smile. This action, it is inspirable for the other people, friends and other colleagues also. Also they will get the inspiration, they will get the motivation from your life from a smile. It will lighten your load. Lighten means light, lighten. Lighten your load means here it means make your worries or problems smaller. When you are smiling, when you are firm in front of a situation, what will happen? All the situations will getting smaller and smaller. Just we can take the example of Mirabai Chanu. She was living in the northeast of India, in a remote area, far away from Imphal. There, because of, as per she was from the poor family, she has no money. She can't afford the fare to go to the Imphal. Daily she comes on the road. She shows the signal. She stopped the trucks, and by the truck she was traveling every day, and she reaches to the Imphal to get the coaching. And after all, at the end, what happened? She got a bronze medal. Now she was a pride for the India. Just like all the tensions, all the challenges, they are very small. Don't complain about the situations. Whatever the challenges, what are the circumstances, accept them and go further with a smile. So it will lighten your loads, all the worries, all the tensions, it will be removed from your life. So smile, singing, these things are very important in our life. If you sing your way home, here you are a student, you are facing the exams, you are facing the results, you will get the punishments and all the things, they are happy in our student life. It doesn't happen. Sometimes you will get upset in your life, but remember, as per in the success we are happy, but in the failure we should continue singing. It will give you energy for your further life and for the bright future. Just we have studied here the song of happiness, when you are happy, and sing your way home. We shall meet in the next lesson, unit number 2.2. Hence, have a good day.